Do you know how to manage units in Blender? How to change from meters to centimeters, from feet to inches? Well, if you are trying to use, or if you plan to use Blender for anything related to architecture, interior visualization, or anything related to precise 3D modeling, you will have to know how to manage units. Let me show you where you can make those changes. And by the way, Blender always start with the metric system as their default option using meters, so keep that in mind. First, to make this change, you will have to open here the Scene tab, and under the Scene tab, you will find this field here called Units. And if you find here the unit system, you can change from metric to imperial, and you can also change here the length. For instance, I have options here for meters, centimeters, millimeters. If I change this here to imperial, you can manage here from feet, miles, inches. How can you verify that? Well, the easiest way to do this is by opening the 3D viewport sidebar. If you press the N key, you will expand this panel, and you will see here, for instance, I have a cube selected, and I have an option here called dimensions. And here in this field, you will be able to see visual updates for anything that you change into the unit. Let me show you a few examples. For instance, if let me zoom in again so you can take a better look. If I change this length here to centimeters, you will see that Blender will update in real time from 0.2 meters to 20 centimeters. But there is something else. Blender is clever. You can type here the measurement that you want, the length that you want, even with a different unit, and Blender will do the conversion for you. For instance, if I type here 0.5 meters, and press enter, Blender will make the conversion to 50 centimeters. The same thing applies to the Imperial system. Let me change this to inches. And you will see here that I have 19 inches, 19.685 inches. If I change this to 2 feet, Blender will do the conversion to 24 inches. Same thing. One additional setting that I always like to recommend for people using the Imperial system is to enable this option here called Separate Units. When you enable this option, Blender will split the units and try not to use fractions. For instance, if you want to set the dimension of this cube here to 1 feet and 6 inches, you can use that, and Blender will display this with 2 units instead of 1. You can see that it's already using it right here. But for Imperial units, I forgot to change the length here to feet, and there we have it. Look how Blender will display the lengths now, 1 feet 6 inches. Another thing that you can do here is to type expressions. If you want to change the length of something in Blender, let me change this back to metric and disable the separate units. If you want, you can, for instance, type 2 times 0.75 meters, and Blender will give me 1.5 meters. So this is an easy way to manage units here in Blender. And this is it. I hope you liked this tutorial. I'm Alan Brito. I'm an architect, and I use Blender all the time in my projects. And if you want to do like me and use Blender, I will leave links in the description for additional learning resources. I have this book here called Blender 5, Precise Modeling for Architecture, Engineering, and 3D Printing, with options and translations to multiple languages. And I will also leave a link for my workshop called Blender Precise Modeling, where I teach how to use Blender as a CAD tool. Links in the description. It will support my work here in Blender 3D Architect. I hope you like this tutorial again. Leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future tutorials. See you next time. Bye.